Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start with the essentials: a BMX frame rated for mechanical stress and a stable mount. Fit the flux coil mount to the down tube now, because precise alignment determines temporal stability. Use the multimeter to confirm power cell output matches coil specs. This is how you prevent burnouts. Once done, hand tighten fasteners, then set torque values with the wrench. Make sure to keep the workspace clear so adjustments stay precise and safe. You proceed to mount the timing cam and align it accurately. The cam's angle controls phase, which is why you set it at 45 degrees initially. Next, tune the coil gap to 0. 5 mm because small changes shift temporal resonance dramatically. Once wired, run a continuity test and calibrate the controller's pulse width. This is how you shape the time window. If readings drift, recheck mechanical clearances and restart the calibration sequence so pulses stay stable. You finish by doing a cautious low-power trial because gradual ramping reveals hidden issues without risking components. Watch for thermal hotspots and odd vibration during a 60-second window. These indicate misalignment or loose mounts. Once stable, step power up incrementally and document each change. If time phase slips or anomalies appear, stop immediately. Then realign the cam, adjust the coil gap, and rerun diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.